Yang Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Kinumpirma ng lead counsel ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na buo na ang defense team nito. Wala pang pinangalanan pero pinagtutuunan daw nila ni Vice President Sara Duterte na makalaya at makauwi ang ama. May report si Marizo Mali.
We've finalized a team. It's going to be a core team of a maximum of 5 members, and we'll be appointing other people to assist us on a needs-be basis.
Buo na ang defense team ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ayon sa kanyang lead counsel na si Attorney Nicholas Kaufman. Hindi pinangalanan ni Attorney Kaufman kung sino-sino ang makakasama niya sa defense team, pero kinumpirma niyang may Pilipinong magiging bahagi nito. Sa ngayon, tinututukan ni na Vice President Duterte at Attorney Kaufman ang pagpapauwi sa dating Pangulo. Bahagi ng plano ang paghahain ng petisyon para sa kanyang interim release.
Why not? That's his country.
what would be
That
the
was where he
legal-
was born. Why should he not go back?
So,
I mean, as far as I'm concerned, he's being illegally detained here and he should go back to the Philippines as soon as possible.
sabi ng bise, gagawin nila ang lahat para mapauwi ang dating Pangulo na tumatakbong mayor ng Davao City.
Gusto ko din talaga i-demand na nandun yung mayor namin, nagtatrabaho para sa syudad. Kung hindi kami mag-isip, mga Dabuenyo, kung paano namin madala yung mayor namin doon, wala talagang mangyayari. So, dapat we exhaust all means possible. Whether it is written in law or it is not written in law, except anything illegal. Revolution is out of the question.
Binanggit kahapon ni Vice President Sara na pinag-aaralan nila ang paghiling ng legal aid mula sa ICC. Sabi ni Kaufman, di raw kailangan ng assistance o serbisyo ng ICC Office of the Public Counsel for the defense.
There's no need for the OPCD. I think that's the unit that you're referring to.
That's right.
They're a very important unit at this court, but they provide logistic assistance, administrative assistance, but they don't provide substantive assistance to any team at the court, whether it be legally aided or privately funded. People love the former president, and I'm sure that they would pay out of their own pockets in order to ensure that he has the proper defense.
Mula sa The Hague, Netherlands, Mariz Umali nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.